Hey guys, it's Rob with Claims Master, your insurance billing and supplement guy, and today we're going to go over a before the build supplement. In this scenario here, the insurance company allowed for some roofing minimums, and that's all they paid for, and we're going to show you how we took this job by supplementing before the build. We took this job from a under deductible payout to a full replacement. So with that being said, let's go to the computer screen. Okay, so let's go to the initial report issued by the third-party adjusting service, and they approved a roofing repair minimum charge. They approved one shingle, and then some other items. Looks like some repairs to the sheeting and maybe a little bit of interior stuff. But the total amount that they approved was $1,354.54. Which they then send that report to the insurance company, which triggered a letter that they sent to the homeowner stating that it's been determined that the damages to your roof will not exceed your deductible of $1,000, so therefore your payout is essentially nothing. So real quick, let's pull up the pictures, my drone pictures of this roof, give you an idea what's going on here. So here's some of the damage here. It's right up at the ridge. So in order to do this repair, you'd have to pull off this ridge cap here, which is then going to damage the other side of the roof. And the things to take into consideration here are the repairs possible with the condition of this roof. And in this case, that answer is no. Also in the state of Ohio, the repairs have to result in a reasonable appearance, not a match, but a reasonable appearance. And I've been doing this long enough to know that, most likely we will not be able to achieve a reasonable appearance in the situation. So based on that, we then sent over our own estimate to the insurance company, requesting the full amount of the roofing and everything else be included to correctly replace this roof. And we backed it up with building code and pictures in the report. And let's see here. Here you go right here. So here's referencing the building codes. Here's all the codes that will apply to different items that we requested. Here's pictures of the property. And all that stuff is in the job here. And sent that over to the insurance company, which triggered the revised version, which now addresses a full roof replacement and an amount of $16,715.49. So we would call this a before the build supplement, and in this particular situation, it took the claim from an under deductible denial essentially to a full replacement in the amount of $16,715.49. So there's all kinds of different scenarios where supplementing and just understanding the process, understanding this business is so important. Here's one of them. In many cases, this claim would have died right there with that letter sent from the carrier to the homeowner stating that their damage did not exceed the deductible. But in this case, we knew our experience led us to what needed to be done to advance this. And so therefore it went from a under deductible denial to a full replacement. Pretty sweet, guys. If you guys don't know how to do that, a lot of you companies out there don't like the insurance process, are confused by the insurance process. You want to sell and you want to build. You don't want to mess around with all this insurance stuff. So if that's you, give us a call. We'd love to earn your business in 2021. We know that we can improve your process and reduce your stress and make your process much more simple and much more enjoyable. So look forward to your business. Give us a call. We'd love to handle your estimates and supplements today. Thanks, guys.